Tired of waiting in long lines at the bank? Frustrated by hidden fees and a confusing interface? Well, what if I told you there's a new kind of bank, one that lives on your smartphone and could be the answer to all your banking woes? These new players on the block are called neobanks, and they're revolutionizing the way we manage our money. But with so many options popping up, it can be hard to know where to start. Today, we're diving deep into one of these innovative banks, Neaon. So, the big question, where exactly is Neaon Bank based? Unlike traditional banks with towering buildings and marble floors, Neaon operates entirely online. That means their physical location isn't as important as their operational headquarters. Here's where things get interesting. Neaon is a Swiss neobank. Switzerland, a country known for its stunning landscapes and meticulous attention to detail, is also a leader in financial services. With a reputation for stability and security, it's no wonder Neaon chose to set up shop there. But being based in Switzerland goes beyond just a prestigious address. It allows Neaon to leverage the country's robust financial infrastructure and strong regulatory environment. This translates to peace of mind for you, the user, knowing your money is safe and secure. But hold on, there's more to the story. While Neaon may not have a physical branch in every town square, they partner with a licensed Swiss bank, Hypothekarbank Lenzburg. This partnership allows Neaon to offer all the essential banking features you'd expect, like a debit card, mobile payments, and even investment options, all conveniently managed through their app. So, what does this Swiss connection mean for you? Here are some key benefits. Safety first. Your money is held securely in Switzerland, a country with a long history of financial stability. Plus, deposits are insured up to a certain amount, giving you an extra layer of protection. Embrace the digital life. Everything from opening an account to managing your finances can be done through the user-friendly Neaon app. No more waiting in lines or dealing with paperwork. Banking on a budget, Neaon is known for its transparent fees and commitment to keeping things affordable. This is perfect for those who want a hassle-free banking experience without breaking the bank. Neaon may be based in Switzerland, but its reach extends far beyond its borders. With their focus on innovation and user experience, Neaon is making waves in the world of digital banking. Whether you're a tech-savvy millennial or simply looking for a more convenient way to manage your money, Neaon is definitely worth checking out. Of course, every bank has its limitations, and it's important to do your research before making a switch. Be sure to explore Neaon's features, fees, and eligibility requirements to see if they're a good fit for your financial needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.